Anyone who has eaten passion fruit knows that its aroma and flavor are unmistakable. It's both a pleasantly sweet and at the same time acidic fruit, and it's widely used in cooking to make dressings for salads or marinades for meats. Perhaps its widest use comes from making delicious desserts. But when you're going to eat a passion fruit, you probably eat the pulp and throw the peel away, right? You might not have known, but the peel contains most of its phytonutrients, one of our body's best friends. The prevention of and fight against cancer are among passion fruit's benefits. It also supports the immune system, improves digestion, eye health, regulates blood pressure, has calming effect, and even helps in weight loss. In today's video, we will explain how to use passion fruit peel to help lose weight faster. The reason the passion fruit peel is great for weight loss is the pectin it contains. This polysaccharide, when ingested, turns into a gel and lines the stomach, making us feel fuller and satisfied. In addition, the gel isn't absorbed during digestion and ends up carrying with it the fats and glucose present in food, eliminating them in the feces. Because of the effect it has on our blood sugar, passion fruit peel is also recommended for the treatment of diabetes. The best way to use the passion fruit peel to lose weight is by consuming the flour from the peel, which can be added to the water or juice and also sprinkled on the food. The amount of pectin reaches 20% in this flour form, which guarantees an excellent result for weight loss purposes. Here's how to prepare the flour. 1. Wash the passion fruit well and cut it in half to remove all the pulp. 2. Cut the peel into thin slices. 3. Put them into form pan and bake it on a low temperature. When you notice that slices are dry, remove the pan and let it cool. It normally takes about half an hour. 4. Finally, place the dehydrated peels in the blender and store them in a tightly closed container. We recommend consuming 3 tablespoons a day. You can also make tea. See how easy it is. After you've bought or made your flour of passion fruit peel, put a teaspoon of powder into a cup with boiled water. Stir it well and drink it while it's warm. You can add a little clove and cinnamon to give a special taste. Remember that to achieve the desired effect, both for weight loss and overall health, it's important to maintain a healthy and balanced diet and to exercise daily. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.